morning, Atlantis. This is Beyonce. Sandy, Chris, Doug, and Rex, you inspire all of us to dare to live our dreams, to know that we're smart enough and strong enough to achieve them. This song is especially for my girl Sandy and all the women who've taken us to space with them, and the girls who are our future explorers.
This Flight Day 9 is literally the bonus day that was added to this mission by the mission management team earlier in the week as a result of the ability of Atlantis to have generated enough cryogenic oxygen and hydrogen for its power-producing fuel cells to gain a bonus day on orbit. The day will be well spent. This is a critical day of transfer activity for Atlantis' astronauts as they continue to move the better part of 5 tons of supplies from the Raffaello Multipurpose Logistics Module over to the International Space Station to stockpile the station for the next 12 months or so. Just as they were operating it this past Monday to install the module for the beginning of transfer operations, Raffaello will be loaded up over the weekend. Its hatch will finally be closed late in the day on Sunday, and the stage will be set for it to be demated from Harmony and placed back into the cargo bay of Atlantis on Monday in advance of Atlantis' undocking from the International Space Station, which is scheduled for Tuesday morning at 1:28 a.m. Central Time, 2:28 a.m. Eastern Time, the final undocking of a space shuttle from the International Space Station to complete the 37th and final visit of a space shuttle to the International Outpost. This video shot by Satoshi Furukawa this morning of the cramped conditions in the permanent multi-purpose module, formerly known as Leonardo, which was delivered to the International Space Station on the STS-135 mission a few months ago. The PMM, as it is called, is berthed to the Earth-facing side of the Unity connecting node, which links the U.S. and Russian segments of the International Space Station to one another. The PMM, designed as a storage closet and a logistics depot, is now almost crammed to the brim. You heard Sandy Magnus refer to that during one of her interviews yesterday with the news media. There are a variety of bags containing logistics and supplies that now reside in the PMM. Again, this video taken earlier today by Satoshi Furukawa.
Procedure available right now for the reloads. I'm willing to put it in work right now.
You're watching Expedition 28 flight engineer Sergei Volkov as he performed in-flight maintenance to a bulky gyroscope and its associated cable in the treadmill vibration isolation system. His work proved successful as the gyroscope spun up appropriately, and that will be the forerunner for the TVIS device, as it is known, to be put back in action to support exercise by the station crew members. Again, one of several such exercise devices available for the crew aboard the International Space Station.
Atlantis, Houston, air to ground 2 for engineering purposes. Com check through Mila.
Hey, Houston, air to ground 2, we have you loud and clear through Mila. Hey, while we have you through Mila, we just want to give a shout out to the folks who work both there and at PDL. You guys have been providing service to the shuttle program for years and years. I understand Mila was built back in 1966, and PDL was added on after the shuttle program came about. I understand also Mila is going to be decommissioned after this flight. For all the folks that work there and for all the shuttle missions that you've supported throughout the years, we thank you very much.